Which among the following is a system of rotating crops with legume or grass pasture to improve soil structure and fertility? The answer is option A, ley farming. Ley farming is an agricultural practice where the grass or legume-based pastures are grown in the rotation with crops. So, this leguminous plants such as clover help fix nitrogen in the soil, enriching it naturally. So, this practice is used to maintain soil health, reduce the need for artificial fertilizers, and improve the overall productivity of the land over time. Now, coming to rest of the options, contour farming. This is a method of farming in which the crops are grown along the contours of a slope to reduce soil erosion and water runoff. Strip farming. This is a type of farming where different crops are planted in strips, often alternating with strips of grass or legumes. D. Shifting agriculture. This is also known as slash and burn agriculture, which is a method where the forest land is cleared by cutting and burning vegetation, then cultivated for a few years before moving to a new area. So that means the answer is ley farming.